Welcome to Hong Kong.
Kain na kami before the flight. Our flight is 1:25. We're having our brunch here sa Coffee Hour. Kasama ko ang aking wife, James. May dinalakas siyang mga gamit na naiwan namin. Ito ang food ko. Tapa, for the chicken, and kajang. Sa mga City International Airport. So, we're just waiting for our boarding. Going na kami ng aeroplano. Yan. Excited gali! Hopefully, okay lang lahat. We will pray mamaya para safe flight namin pumutang Hong Kong! Let's go! So we're here sa Cebu. We will be staying here for at least 5 hours. Connecting flight tayo for Hong Kong. May init ngayon, hindi maulan. It's good weather. Okay? Ito kami guys para pumunta Terminal 2 na para sa international flight. Right here. Wait.
Hello.
So kailangan nating mag-ready. Since it's our first time about to go sa immigration, kabado kami ngayon. Pero syempre, we're positive na nakalusot kami kasi it's... Woo! Ang saya ng buhay namin ngayon, guys. We are only at least 5 minutes sa immigration, guys. Oh my God! Woo! Unique weds kami. So, sabi pa nung immigration, okay na! Tatakan mo na yan! Diretso na yan! Tip number 1, kapag pumunta kayo ng immigration, sabihin nyo, bagong kasal kayo para approve agad. So ang sa amin, tinanong kami anong gagawin. So ang sagot namin is mag-vacation or mag-honeymoon. Wala nang question and all, then tatak agad. So isa rin sa mabibigay namin na tips sa inyo guys, na once it's your first time, be honest and tell what is really your intention. Ito, kumain na kami ng aming dinner dahil it's more or less 2 hours ang flight papuntang Hong Kong. Tip number 3, pag dumating kayo ng Hong Kong, kailangan yung kumuha ng octopus card. Ang octopus card is the best way for you to go around Hong Kong with the MTR. And also, pwede siya gamitin pangbayad sa mga stores. So, kung yung hotel nyo is ang Rambler Oasis Hotel, from the airport, kailangan yung sumakay ng bus A32 and kailangan yung bumaba sa Qingdao House doon sa Chongqing State. Once nakarating na kayo, nakababa na kayo sa Qingdao House, hanapin nyo lang tong pedestrian lane na to or traffic light. Tatawid lang kayo dyan and lalakad lang kayo dun. So go right and then walk to the Rambler Crest and konting lakad lang, at least 5 minutes, and then darating na kayo dun sa Rambler Oasis Hotel. Napakaganda guys, grabe. This is really an opportunity. Thank you Lord talaga. So ayan guys, nakarating na kami dito sa room namin. Ang Rambler Oasis Hotel is one of the most affordable hotels dito sa Hong Kong na pwedeng mabook online. And nakabook namin yung aming room for only 8,700 for 4 nights via Klook. You have everything what you need sa isang room except for bidet. So kaya kailangan nyo magdala ng tabo. Day 2 of our travel here in Hong Kong. From Rambler Oasis, kailangan yung sumakay ng bus from terminal na malapit lang dyan sa hotel. So maglakad lang kayo ng konti and then darating na kayo dun sa terminal. So ride bus 88F na papunta yan sa Tsingyi Station. Here at Tsingyi Station, going to eat right now. Wala nag-video dito guys, mga tao ayaw. Parang dahil na mag-video. Ayan guys, pumunta kami dito sa McDonald's para mag-brunch. And tip number 3, kailangan nyo talagang i-convert lahat ng mga binibili nyo ng mga pagkain or any item sa Hong Kong para at least malaman nyo din magkano yung presyo nun in peso. So we're done guys, we had our brunch in McDonald's. Tip number 4 guys, kailangan nyo talagang magkaroon ng napaka-comfortable na mga shoes dahil sobrang dami ng lakaran dito sa Hong Kong guys. Walkable talaga siya, maraming instructions, maraming lakaran dahil napaka-accessible ng kanilang roads. Kaya be sure na meron kayong shoes na dala-dala. Naglalakad kami guys para sa Pic Tram J2 ang exit. 5 minutes, 10 minutes na lakad. Garden Port, Hong Kong Club, Garden, Hong Kong, Pic Tram. Okay, let's go. Dami dito guys. If you are an offender of their law, you will be executed. So, dapat sunod sa batas. Okay, 5 minutes walk. Tama nga talaga sabi ni Kuya, 5 minutes walk. Ganda ng mga station nila guys. Puro mabilis lahat dito. Talas lahat ng tao mabilis. So, kailangan mo din mag-adapt. Convenient kasi yung mga daanan, signage and all.
Step in the room and the heat turns high. Everyone stops when you
Ang ganda ng ano lang guys, traffic light kasi parang friendly siya for PWDs nung hindi nakakita. Naririnig niyo talaga yung sound effects ng every traffic light na nakakatulong sa mga PWDs. At makikita nyo guys, mabilisan talaga yung lakaran dito at hindi uso dito yung pabagal-bagal.
Big Trump, Big Trump. Where's Big Trump? There? Big Trump there.
Kung makikita nyo parang spaceship na shape na yan, yan yung palatandaan nasa Pictram na kayo na terminal. Nakapasok na kami guys, so we book our ticket in Klook. That's why mabilis na wala na siyang pila. So yun kinagandahan nun pag nag-book kayo through Klook online. Hi ma'am, we have to. Thank you. Wow, this is the tram. Advice here guys, dapat right side kayong sumakay pag paakyat para may view. Here? Go.
turn it up. Let the rhythm ignite. We're burning through the edge of the night. When you
We're here in Sky Terrace. Hi! Dito kayo pwedeng bumili ng mga souvenirs. So these are bags, tote bags. Yeah. Ang alam ko kasi dito medyo mahal. Alam mo naman kahit sa Pilipinas, if there's tourist spots, usually pag may nagbebenta doon, mahal talaga. So same lang yun siya dito. So if you want to buy something like this, we can go to like Mongkok. Damn! Oh my God! Oh. Wow! Fuck! Oh my God!
step in the room and the heat turns high.
Hi! Guys, pag nasa Hong Kong din kayo, huwag niyong kalimutan na dumaan sa Bake House. Okay guys, we're going to try the famous egg tarts here. Ha?
Ako, napit akong...
Grabe, matutok ko may pastos man to. Tara? The level of taste, 1 to 10. 10 is the highest. 10? Okay. Sila? Ang malibang kai-kai ito. Hindi siya masyadong sugary. Saktong-sakto lang. At syempre, hindi mawawala yung travel natin kung wala tayong coffee. Dito kami ngayon guys sa Arabica. Coffee is a must. In every spot na puntahan natin, dapat meron tayong coffee. This is our coffee. Guys, got their coffee here. Napakaganda. The gang Spanish. 100 HKD. Ah. Sarap ng coffee. Very nice view here. So, medyo maulan. Ngayon, may foggy.
Turn it up. Let the rhythm ignite. We're burning through the edge of the night. When you move, the whole place jumps. You'll bring the fire, the uptown funk. It up. Oh, 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 it up. Oh, 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 it up. Oh, 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 oh. You're
Ang Central. Ito yung na-observe namin guys na parang Times Square yung vibe niya or BGC sa Pinas.
high.
Finally we're here. Observation wheel. So kung gusto niyo ng mga breathtaking panoramic views dito sa Hong Kong skyline and the Victoria Harbor, dito na kayo guys sa Hong Kong Observation Wheel. At maganda dito guys kasi pwede kayong mag-book through Klook or any online applications.
Move, the whole place jumps. You'll bring the fire, the uptown funk. It up. Oh, 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 it up. Oh, 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 it up. Oh, 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 oh.
Kamusta ang PSBB? Pasa, 1 out of 10. For me, it's 8. Okay naman 8. For you? 8. 8? Wow, 8 naman iyo. Here in Pier 7, going to Chim's Sha Tsui for the ferry ride. Now we ride the Star Ferry. Napaka-convenient nga talaga ng transportation including ferries here in Hong Kong.
Step in the room.
Of course guys, yung Symphony of Lights kailangan natin ma-observe yan every 8 PM dito sa Victoria Harbor.
Pabalik na kami ng Central.
Guys, isa to sa mga must try and dapat huwag nyo talagang kaligtaan ang City Bus HK Sightseeing na kung saan makikita na talaga is yung sobrang ganda ng view ng mga skyscrapers ng Hong Kong.
We lose and find our soul. Turn it up, let the rhythm ignite. We're burning through the edge of the night. When you move, the whole place jumps. You bring the fire, the uptown funk. The uptown funk.
Samahan niyo kami pumunta sa Hong Kong Street para bumili ng mga souvenirs and mga sapatos. Tara guys, samahan niyo kami from Chinese Station. Dito na naman kami mag-i-start kasi doon nang galing ang aming hotel. And tara!
Dito na kami sa Sneaker Street, guys. Here, guys. Streets of Hong Kong.
Dito namin naisipan bumili guys sa New Balance dahil sa Pilipinas medyo mahal. Kaya dito tinry namin kung merong discount and yes, meron.
Ganda na color, pareho kami. And guys, nakabili kami ng shoes. Losono all couple shoes.
After nyo dumaan guys sa Sneaker Street, kailangan yung daanan tong shop na to na nagbebenta ng street food na napakasarap at mura.
This one, how much? 3 for 25. Yeah. One. Oh, sarap.
Konti lang yung kinain namin dito guys kasi ang aim talaga namin is pupunta kami sa Ichiran Ramen. So naglakad-lakad din kami ng konti using Google Map at ayun, nakita na namin ang Ichiran Ramen.
Ito yung famous restaurant ng mga ramen. So kaya dito kami pupunta. Hindi naman papalampasin to.
Lumating kami guys, may queuing and meron talaga numbering na kailangan mo talaga maghintay. So we waited at least 30 minutes para makapasok.
So it's real guys na meron talagang specific table na para sa'yo lang na para kumain ka.
At napaka-attentive and helpful na mga staff nila guys dito sa Ichiran Ramen. If you really want to have that best ramen experience guys, come visit ng itong Ichiran Ramen dito sa Mongkok Street. And meron naman din sa other parts ng Hong Kong. Pero dito kami nakapunta kasi malapit lang yung mga spots and makabili ng mga souvenirs.
失礼します。
And here we are, dito na kami sa Ladies Night Market. Kaya siya tinawag na Ladies Night Market kasi karamihan ng bumibili dito is mga babae. Pero meron naman din panglalaking gamit.
Napagod kami pero syempre, it's very good price. Nakabili kami ng mga magnet and keychains sa mura. Tawad-tawaran talaga eh. Maganda dito kasi may mga Chinese na marunong mag-Tagalog. Nasyak kami. Pero but it's good, we already bought our souvenir. Ayan, nabili namin guys. We have bags. We have magnets and keychain. After the end of the day, kailangan naman mag-relax. Nakakapagod pero maganda guys kasi grabe ang transportation system. Napaka-efficient, grabe. Hindi ka mawawala kompleto sa instruction, kompleto sa guide. It's very convenient for us.
So, and guys, rest muna kami and then we'll see you again. For tomorrow's vlog, mag-Disneyland na kami.
Make it shine. Yeah, we light it up. Hands the sky.
It's Disneyland Day guys. Ito talaga yung araw na hinihintay namin. Ito yung araw na pinaghandaan namin at pinunta talaga namin sa Hong Kong.
Like to go here to buy. Kasi wala pa kaming Mickey Mouse na headband.
So for us to have the best Disneyland experience, bumili na kagad kami ng headband dito sa gilid guys before the entrance. But make sure to check the prices para iwas budol.
We're here guys! Hello. Yeah. Thank you. Scan the QR. Thank you.
Using Klook, bumili pala kami ng early entry ticket dito guys para makapasok kami 1 hour before the official gate opens. And kung makakabook din kayo ng early entry guys, diretso na agad kayo dito sa Frozen Ever After dahil this is the must ride.
Kabring ka si madam. Here guys, walang pila. Kami lang kasi naka-early access po kami. Hi! Two.
Can you separate the stick first? Not allowed. Okay.
Ah, not allowed, okay.
我的 snowy summer day，我的一个盛放所在的冰之王宫里。
My life is rough, I like to hold on to my dream of relaxing in the summer sun.
Super fun!
Another tip guys, para ma-maximize nyo yung time nyo dito sa Disneyland, kailangan nyo mag-download ng Hong Kong Disneyland app para makita nyo yung exact location ninyo and yung waiting time for every ride sa Disneyland. At para guys, mas strategize nyo din yung inyong itinerary for the different rides.
Oh, your camera type?
Yeah. Yes! We're going! Oh my God! Tuloy tayo, Paki! Ay! Ay! Oh my God! Mag-snack muna kami saglit and then we're back. Nagutom kami.
Another tip guys, pwede naman kayo magdala ng mga snacks or breads dito sa loob ng Disneyland.
Meron kaming kabigan dito guys. Oh.
I hope you enjoy playing with toys. It's playtime!
Guys, another tip, please bring your payong kasi napaka-unpredictable ng weather dito sa Hong Kong. Pwedeng mainit, pwedeng umulan bigla. Pero nung time na to guys, summer to kaya napaka-init. Kaya make sure to bring a portable fan to keep you fresh all day. Kailangan nyo din guys na strategize yung inyong itinerary dahil syempre kung mainit, kailangan nyo pumunta dun sa mga rides na may mga shades kagaya nito.
We got our ganda ang ride, nakaka-chill, relax lang. Sakto lang kung hindi ka ayaw mo gustong mainitan.
Sarap ba?
Masarap ang presyo. Brain freeze. So, naglalakad na kami guys. Pumunta kami ng Big Grizzly. Hi!
So guys, kailangan nyo pumunta din dito sa Big Grizzly dahil ito yung pinaka-extreme na ride sa Hong Kong Disneyland and this is a must try guys. Napakaganda dito.
Ay, grabe.
Kahilap Mariga?
Grabe yun guys.
Kayo.
Kahilab. Grabe yung init guys. Pero ginusto namin to kasi summer talaga. So, sana
Yan oo.
hindi uulan para sa Momentus.
And we had our lunch here guys dito sa Royal Banquet at bumili pala kami via Klook ng lunch, dinner, and snacks voucher.
Hello, ito yung nakuha namin guys. This is $200.
Hindi namin inakala guys na kaya na pala to sa 2 tao yung pagkain na to. Kaya for a tip, kahit isang order na lang tapos share na lang kayo.
Yo.
From Royal Banquet guys, dumiretso kami dito sa Ant-Man and the Wasp Nano Battle. Kaso nga lang sarado guys, kaya dumiretso na lang kami dito sa Iron Man Expo. Kung saan makikita at mamimit nyo si Iron Man. Magpapapicture lang pala kay Iron Man pero okay naman siya guys dahil magpapalamig ka lang sa loob kasi napakainit sa labas.
Yun lang pala guys. Ang gila, naghintay kami ng halos 30 minutes dun. Pero okay naman, na-meet namin si Iron Man.
After all those activities guys sa Disneyland na nagawa niyo sa buong araw, by 5 PM kailangan nyo bumalik dito sa Main Street para i-witness yung Fantastic Parade. Lahat ng mga Disney characters guys. Nakita namin guys yung mga famous na mga Disney characters like si Mickey, si Baymax, and other characters of Disney. Kung saan may enjoy ka talagang tingnan sila. Kaso nga lang guys, dito nagsialisa na yung mga tao dahil umulan na. At eto guys, mas lalong lumakas yung ulan kaya napaalis talaga kami sa Main Street at naghanap ng masisilungan. At timing pala guys, nandito lang pala yung Starliner Diner kung saan dito din dapat yung schedule namin for the dinner. Kaya dito kami pagpalipas ng ulan.
This is our food guys. I bought some coke. Yung partner dalawa pareho kasi. Okay. Let's eat.
Buti na lang talaga guys, sumupa yung ulan at nakapagpwesto na kami dito sa may harap ng castle at nag-tiktok ng saglit, nagkuha ng footage and all para hintayin yung Momentos. At there you go guys, natuloy nga yung Momentos at eto na guys, let's go! Disneyland definitely healed our inner child and maybe emptied my wallet too. Pero guys, napakasulit na experience.
Okay guys, we're done for Disneyland. It's a wrap. Bye-bye na Disneyland. Bye-bye. See you next year daw.
And that's a wrap on our Hong Kong adventure. My feet are officially retired, but my camera roll is driving. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more food, travel, and good vibes. See you on the next adventure. Bye-bye!